Hey guys, Reaper here again. Well, the motorcycle sickness continues. Not that motorcycle, but this one. So, in gearing up for a trip that me and my friend Justin are taking, we've been working on this bike. You've probably seen the videos on this, and I'll get to what's going on with that later. But I ended up picking up this bike. It runs and drives, and the guy said it had 60 pounds of compression. I'm going, that shouldn't run and drive with 60 pounds of compression, right? But it does. Long story short, it's a 77 Kawasaki Ke250, and it does not have 60 pounds of compression. It has 110. She starts up and runs good. So we're going to get this thing tuned up, put a new front tire on it, rebuild the shocks, and whatever else we need, like this brake cable's broken. And we'll get this thing out on the trail. And I'm going to try and take the GoPro up there with us to film this. And yes, I know I have a messy shop. We're working on that too. It's a small shop, so just shut up about that, would you? I'm teasing, of course. That's my sense of humor that nobody gets. I really ought to stop making jokes, but you can see this bike's in pretty good shape, and it's got oil in it. You can't see, but this is a oil injection bike, which makes it great because all I have to do is put gas in. I don't have to premix, and keep her full, and we're good to go. Chain and sprocket, a little loose. Gonna need to adjust that. But man, let's take a look at the sprocket teeth here, because I brought this home in the dark. Yeah, they're a little smoked. I don't know if you can see that on the video, but they aren't supposed to be pointy like that. I'm assuming this front sprocket's about the same, but I can't see through the chain guard. Maybe you guys can if I zoom in. Give you a better view, I mean. Nope. Anyway, so look for some upcoming videos on... Anyway, look for some upcoming videos on this bike. Pretty complete bike. Very neat. It's got about 10,000 miles on it. So, you know, she's up there a few miles, but tachometer works, and we're going to get a battery for it. Kind of a neat bike. It's got a kickstand for the seat here, so it stays up. Helmet hooks for you and your passengers. And a very interesting setup for the snorkel on the air intake here. It actually breathes through the center tube on the frame. I've never seen that on any bike before. But we are missing our tube here. And you can see the connecting tube that goes between the air box and the carburetor's gone, which is a little concerning, but we'll get that fixed. I think for now I'm just going to use a piece of radiator hose until I can find the right one, because it's not available. This top one's available all day, and if it actually would fit, I'd just buy another one of these. You know, it's not critical. I'm not doing a restoration on this bike, really more of a preservation. But I don't know if this is the original seat cover on this bike. It feels like they've done some repairs, but it's in really good shape. You can see the seat, for being as old as it is in fantastic shape. So no complaints there. You can see somebody's done something there, so I suspect this has been off. But hey, you know, I'll live with it. Alright guys, doesn't it just really bug you when people show cool old things, you know, like an old car and stuff, and you're going, oh, just, you know, get to the part where it runs, and then they don't do it? Well, yeah, that's what I just did to you guys, so I'm gonna start this up for you, let you hear it. So, stand by. Put her on run. Turn the fuel on. You can hear I'm sick. Freaking fires everywhere, smoky. Not helping. Got something wrong with the Kickstarter mechanism too. I need to take a look at. This bike is a rotary valve bike, so can't get in there and flip the reed cage around, you know, flip the reeds around. So she's a little sluggish on the uptake, and I think we're going to end up having to go through the carburetor and, of course, you know, change a whole bunch of stuff out, clean the air cleaner or get a new element. But overall, she's fantastic. Can't complain. I'll catch you guys later. This is Reaper, signing off.